we're back and I'm making a non-alcoholic Liar's Old Fashioned, but I'm gonna smoke it. We're gonna start off with 2 sugar cubes right in your glass. Add a little water, dab of water, and add about 3 dashes of bitters. Now you'll muddle that together. Just press the sugar. Nice. Okay. Super simple cocktail, really easy. Take this non-alcoholic spirit. The profile is similar to a whiskey. And now I'm gonna smoke it. I have some hickory, some apple wood. It's gonna be delicious. All right. Directly into the smoker. There we go. Super smoky. Whoa. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Whoa. And just give it a spin. I can't wait to try this. Looks like the real deal. Does it taste like the real deal? Let's see. Oh, it does, but I think what will make it even better is a dab of this orange bitters right here. So let's see what's going on. All right. Come to Papa. Ah, now it tastes exactly like an old fashioned. Good job. Good job. Try it out.